What up, second grade? Miss Crawl. It's great to see all of you again, and I hope you're ready to learn. Today, we're going to be working on compound words. So I want you to activate some of that prior knowledge. Think about, what do you know about compound words? So remember, compound words are when we take smaller words and put them together to make a bigger one. And if you've watched other videos, you may have watched the video where we use those smaller words to help us understand the meaning of the compound word, because we take each smaller word and help us understand what the bigger compound word means. So compound words are going to be more than one syllable because we're taking more than one word and putting it together. So let me go ahead and make myself smaller in the corner, and we're going to do a little bit of work with compound words today. So just this little top thing, I'll read it. It's kind of a review of what I already said, but some more practice never hurt. A compound word is made up of two smaller words. Compound words have more than one syllable. So our example here is backpack. We put back and pack together, we get backpack. And listen, if we don't know what backpack is, let's think about the two smaller words, backpack. It's a pack that you wear on your back, backpack. So backpack is a compound word because it's made up of smaller words, back, pack. And we can use those smaller words to help us find out the meaning of the compound word. So the directions for this little page say, circle the compound word, then draw a line between the two smaller words. So it wants us to first be able to identify which one is a compound word, and then break up that compound word into the smaller words that it has. So let's go ahead. Number one I'm going to do, and then I'll have you guys, as we get down, try some on your own. So number one says pancake, cake. So I need to think to myself, which one is a compound word? So which one is made up of smaller words? Well, cake is not made up of smaller words. But pancake, I see two words here. I see pan and I see cake. So that's a compound word. It's split up into two. I can split it into two words. Pancake is made up of smaller words. So let me go ahead and put that on there. Pancake. That is our compound word. And our two words are pan and then cake. Pancake. All right, number two, we have bagging or bagpipe. So I need to ask myself, which one do I see smaller words in? Bagging, I don't see any, but bagpipe, I see bag and I see pipe. So those are the two smaller words that make up the compound word bagpipe. So bagpipe is my compound word. All right, I want you guys to go ahead and get your finger out, and I'm going to have you pretend circle. So don't actually touch your computer screen, but just get super close and pretend circle for number three. Which one is our compound word? Is it wishbone or wished? I want you to go ahead. If you need to pause me and think about it, go ahead. Go ahead and circle the compound word. So you should have circled wishbone, because wishbone is made up of two smaller words. Wished does not have two smaller words. Now, yell out, what two smaller words do you have in wishbone? Let me hear it. Yeah, you have wish, and then you have bone. Wishbone. Nice job. Wishbone is our compound word here. All right, number four, we're going to do the same thing. So we have homes or homesick. Take that finger and circle the compound word. Again, if you need to pause me because you need a moment to think about it, go right ahead. All right, so you should have circled homesick. Homesick has two smaller words in it. Homes does not. Our two smaller words, let me hear it. What are they in homesick? What are the two words that make up homesick? Yeah, home and sick. So homesick is our compound word. Number five, we're going to do the same thing. We have inside or ink. Go ahead and pretend circle our compound word. Inside or ink. So you should have circled inside. Inside is made up of two smaller words. Ink is not. Yell out what two smaller words make up inside. Let me hear it. Yeah, in and side. Inside is our compound word. All right, so our last three here, it just says, read the sentences, underline the compound words. Write the words on the line. So we need to read the sentence and then decide which ones are compound words. So let me go ahead and do number one. The bathtub is filled with suds. The bathtub is filled with suds. So I need to go through. I cannot break up into smaller words. Bathtub. Ooh, bathtub. I can split up with bath, tub. So bathtub is a compound word. Let's see if there's any more in the sentence. It cannot be split up. Filled is not split up into two separate words. With, and no for suds. So bathtub is our compound word here. It's made up of bath and tub. Bathtub. All right, so you saw how I went through each word and thought about it. Do I see two smaller words in this word? So I want you to go ahead for number two, listen to me read it, and I want you to find the compound words or word. Number two says, Dad met him with a handshake. Dad met him with a handshake. So if you need to, I want you to pause me and go through the sentence and think about where are our compound words or where is our compound word in this sentence. I want you to pretend circle that compound word. So go ahead and pause me if you need to. So you should have pretend circled hand, shake. Hand, shake is a compound word. It's made up of the words hand and shake, which if you don't know what handshake means, you could use the two smaller words to help you. You could think of hand, shake. It's when you shake a hand, right? That helps you know what handshake means. There were no other compound words in this sentence. Handshake is a compound word. Handshake. All right, our last one, we're going to do the same thing. I want you to find the compound word or words in the sentence. So listen to me as I read it. Mom likes to make pancakes. Mom likes to make pancakes. If you need to pause me while you pretend circle the compound word or words, go right ahead. So you should have circled pancakes. Pancakes is our only compound word in the sentence. It is made up of two smaller words here, and that is pan and cakes. Pancakes comes together and makes pancakes. All right, second grade. That was awesome work. Before you go, remember, compound words are when we have smaller words that are put together to make a bigger word. And if you ever see that compound word and you might not know what it means, break it up into those smaller parts, those smaller words, and that could help you get a clue about what that bigger compound word means. All right, second grade, awesome job, and I will see you next time.